there trying to push it. I'm trying to take it there, the whole clip empty. So what it's gonna be, nigga, just tell me. You want nothing, me, homie, then we can rumble. I don't give a fuck if you sound like you stumble. Let's look, take your ass buckle. Yeah, take your ass crumble. Let me get some. Listen, I ride for real, and I don't care, nigga, just ride still me in my face, nigga, I'm real. I never stumble. Eminem, nigga, never snip or stumble. Matter of fact, nigga, yeah, I do this and I rumble. Wrestle, fight, kick, scratch if you want it. Anybody talking about pulling hair if they want it? Listen, I get blunted. So fuck it. Everybody talking about hey, yo. Oh, man, come on. Oh, I said, I'm a real nigga, I'ma find you on the block. And ain't the fucking pull out a Glock. It's the fucking smoke a little bit of that rock if you want. Matter of fact, we can get some daddies. Grab a 40. Get this money and this rock for real. Jump in the wheel. Matter of fact, we can cop some deals. Bitches over here talking about they dropping their panties. They talk about blah 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 blah. But they like, well, me and my young boy hit it from the atrás. But listen, young boy, we got the blah. See how I'm doing me? I do it easily. This is MMR putting on for our city. Your brother, welcome to North Philly. I got my goons with me. Ride with them filthy. Sawdog 40 cal went to Mac Millie. Therefore, you can never ever get with me. Make him out regardless. If you try to harm me, 100 goons on your block. It's my fucking army. Rap, so understand this. With that stainless, I leave you brainless. You wanna be high? You think you famous? I pop about 5. Leave you nameless. Make me a break me, homie. You can't tame this. You a cold bitch, man. A straight snitch. Make me a break me, homie. You can't tame this. And you a cold snitch.
Like freeway, never snitching, I'm a rider. I'm rapping on the cell phone cause I never rock that fake ass Prada. Listen, cause I gotta. Why I gotta? Gotta holler for $1 when I'm real. Niggas talking about they wanna kill. Stop talking about they wanna kill. Do it for real. Get locked up, go to jail. Get it in the butt if you want. Cause I'm gonna be out here. Holy shit. I said niggas talking about kill. Go ahead, get locked up for real. Do it, get it in the butt. I'm gonna be out here.
Chill, man.
Fucking butt. Bring it over there. Y'all know who it is, that nigga Rah, you dig me? It's strictly for the ladies over there. Like, on some shit.
Man, see me right there.
My boy, see me.
Man, see me, man.
It be on something.
You want to see the chinos? Hey, yo, he said, get it in your butt, what?
No, I said the boy, niggas talking about trying to kill. Nigga, kill for real. Get locked up, nigga, go to jail so you can get it in the butt. Nigga, why would we out here fucking these smuts? Like,
go ahead, man, spit
yo,
some more
I
shit.
live life once. I recognize real cause I got the. Matter of fact, cause I have to. It's a must. Matter of fact, it's not a must. It's a I got to. Listen, I got to go get this money. Go down the gallery to fool these bunnies. Matter of fact, white people, I don't give a fuck if they half Korean. Matter of fact, they talking about they fucking leaning backwards on their ass while I'm sticking it. It ain't pussy. Matter of fact, they talking about they got their shit on that pussy. So I had to tie her up, duct tape her, throw her fucking down the steps and let somebody save her. Matter of fact, let somebody save her.
Hey, yo, man.
I don't know, I was freestyling though. I like to freestyle in there. I got some water, y'all look. Yeah, you look, even better. I said 2 waters, you know? That's what rappers do, you know what I mean? We look out for each other on the thirst, live. On the thirst. Like Major Pain. You fuck with me. I put my foot so far off your ass. You want another one? That'll make it.
Man,
you want another one?
Yeah,
that'll make it. Fuck me. A Chris 16. 16
Go ahead,
bars.
man. Man, Joey right here.
She not put this on camera too. It's 16.
Where? I'm going to early street, man. It'd be like, turn it up, hit a raise the score. I'm only 21 done, but I'm toting the 4. If I let that thing bust, watch your brains hit the floor. I'ma do what I must till I can't no more. What I got in store, a bunch of fucking shells. If I let that thing bring me the devil, you in hell. If I got a murder nigga, I will never tell. There's no proof I did it, ain't no sense in need to judge. If you try to snitch on me for something pitiful, only thing I gotta say is God get critical. Screaming at his gunplay, but I can see the bitches. Make the wrong move, 50 slugs to the end of you. Time to trade on nothing, cause we left them bangers bust. Bullets so large, and strip a fucking something bust. Joke. Yeah, I know you heard, but Bruce Willis Armageddon if you tried to murder us. Yeah, Bruce Willis Armageddon if you tried to murder us.
That's some shit.
See, that's hot shit. Because that Bruce Willis movie was hot as shit. And the other train hot as shit. You said Bruce Willis what? Bruce Willis Armageddon if you tried to murder us. I didn't even want to
Go ahead, man. Listen more shit. Listen more shit.
Listen. I said, I chased you down the street, so deep on mic, behind that guy riding dice, that takes you with an iron pipe. Gotta smoke a ball that'll kill you for a crack pipe. Young boy, relax and just chill. Fall back, dog, relax and just chill. Do what you do, dog. Stay with the mills. Stay at home paying your fucking bills. Young boy, chill. Get that money right. Young boy, chill, dog. Get that money right. Had to say it twice because it went through that way. It came out the ear and then it went that way. Listen, we can go down 100 parts. We can chill. Get a Dutch, and then we can spark. Chill with them deers. Matter of fact, even with them bears. We can chill.
Hey, yo, man.
Hey, yo, my man just holding the camera.
You saying?
He know this 16, you dig me?
Right. Yeah.
Understand right now? Nigga, I'm on my Bonnie mode. Yeah, I got the 2 motherfucker, and I'ma let it blow. Shells going into your skin. Deep in your soul, biting, hit the ground, there's nowhere else to go. So don't tell me, cause the burnout's going free. Give him 17 shots, hit his left knee. Hit him in the face, and your nose starts to bleed. That's when you start bitching like, Rob, don't please. You understand, dog? The kid is never playing. If you want to take a dance, some of y'all start spraying. These more bed rest. Everything that you praying and the searching for your kids, I'ma find what they saying. See what I do, nigga, I do it great. I would have been up now if I stuck with the weight. Too many niggas out here running to the Jakes, come to find out the whole time you niggas was fake. I said, betrayal is the worst thing of all. Understand, you get murked on your back, on your balls. Ooh, nigga, in your head, off with that. I'ma find your family and off all them rags.
When I come to the block, I don't want to know nobody. I want to know who the boss, so I can meet with everybody. Chill on our block, get him where I fit in. Yeah, on our block, in the fit it with it. Listen, I did the fit it with it.
I think it's cool that when it comes to hoes. Some 10 freaky girls. 10
will come out. One more. One more. Come out. 10
One more in my mouth, man. One more in my mouth.
10 freaky girls.
See, I'm a rock star. Yeah, I rock so hard, high on my pictures, so you know I won't dare fall. Me, gotta get it all. Playoff game, got them all. Me, I'm about them dollars, gotta get it all, man. I'm so high, yeah. I'm so cool. You try to play me sweet, man. You's a damn fool. Messing with the wrong rock. Leave you on the damn news. Inside crushed up, outside gotta ooze. You gon' snooze, baby. You gon' lose. I'll beat your face up. Watch how that's gon' bruise. That's your turn to let it burn. But I received the knowledge from the lesson learned. The respect I earned. I was on my grind. I gotta shine. I'm one of a kind. See, I'm a good look. And I got you shook. Rockstar level reading through you like a book.
Listen, I said, I'm a real nigga. I'ma tell you why I'm real. Listen, I don't kill, but I keep shit real. Anybody wanna holler at me? I'ma win the fight. I'ma tell you, dog, why I win the fight. Cause God come first, and I thank him for everything. Matter of fact, dog, yeah, dog, I thank him for everything. So he on my side, and he got my back. And anybody wanna holler at me when they got a grudge against their back? Holler at me, nigga, cause I'ma solve them and put them on their back. Matter of fact, clap.
Hey, you.
Oh, I'm a little hype. Dog, real though, when I don't start beef, or I don't be in trouble, and I'm just minding my business, and the niggas start shit with me, dog, God help them if they want to rumble. On a rumble, God help them. But on some chillin' shit, on I'm starting problems, if I get shot at or something like that, that's because I bought that. You know what I mean? I bought that problem, you know what I'm saying, or some shit. You know what I mean?
Oh, so some more shit real quick.
No more.
Take one more jump, man. Hey, yo, man, this shit is hilarious, man.